If you're watching this video, you recently ran into an issue regarding a missing DLL file, or some game you're trying to run right now is giving a missing DLL error. Now, as a disclaimer, some DLLs are coded specifically for a game, so you won't be able to replace them without verifying the game's integrity, but for DLL files like msvcp120.dll and openal32.dll, you can easily replace those files within 5 minutes, so let me show you how. Now, first off, this tutorial does not require any third-party application, but it does require a simple website named DLLMe.com. This website holds, from what I know of, every important and usable DLL known to man. There is DLLfiles.com, but it seems that it's no longer with us. First, search the name of the missing DLL, then download it. Now, if you would like to check the DLL file for a potential virus, even more than what the website already does, you can use VirusTotal, but from my research, this website seems to be 100% legit. In most cases, you will download a zip file containing a text file and your DLL file. Now, let's move to the game files. For me, ever since I reinstalled Windows 11, I've run into almost no issues, so I can't personally replicate this issue, but I can at least help you find where to put the file. Now, best case scenario, the error window will directly tell you the path to the missing file. If so, go through that path, take the DLL file we downloaded, and simply extract it there. Then try starting up the game. Now, in a okay scenario, it doesn't show the path directly, but you will need to go a little further. I know for most games in 2025, they contain a crash log folder in their Appdata folder. Simply go there and pray that this missing DLL path is shown in that crash log. If so, do the same thing as the last scenario and simply extract the DLL there and test. The absolute worst case scenario for this is that there is no way to find the path. If so, then you will need to do some testing. You could potentially search on Google for the specific error for your specific game, and hopefully someone knows the path, but if not, then it's time to throw a DLL everywhere you see DLLs at. In most games, important DLLs are in the base folder right next to the non-shipping exe, or in a very far folder next to the shipping exe. Simply place the downloaded DLL file everywhere that you see DLLs grouped up at, and hopefully you will find the correct spot. And that's it. If you still have no luck finding the location, then you will need to do the one thing that will for sure fix this and reinstall the entire game. I know that reinstalling the game will take long, but if nothing else works, you pretty much have no choice. Now remember, game-specific DLLs like game.dll or steam_api.dll or even unityplayer.dll are not easily replaceable. Those DLL files are specifically coded to that game, and ones from online will not replace them without some technological magic that the average human being doesn't have the time or skills to do. So for this scenario, you can only reinstall the game. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.